Dear students, we will learn about the use of calculator when dealing with IELTS technique. So let me start here. This is a calculator, and this table is in front of you. We need to concentrate this function which is given to you in this question, x plus y, and we need to concentrate the Euler's formula, which is yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h times yn prime. So insert this function in the calculator, that is actually x plus y. So denote this x plus y by any letter in this calculator. We have letters here a, b, c, d, e, f and x, y as well, but use any of these letters to denote x plus y other than x plus y, because I'm using x and y here, x plus y. So let us denote this function by, say, f, this f, and this f and the display is written in this manner. So f then equals to this, equal to, not this, equals to. This equal sign will be displayed by pressing alpha and calc button. So you see, this is equal to. So f is equal to, so it means that yn prime is f. Remember that yn prime is f in this calculator. Then yn prime is equal to x plus y. X plus y, this is x and this is y. So write x alpha, so that is x, then plus sign, then y, so alpha into this button, that is x plus y. So we have written this function and this display, and you see that f is actually yn prime. Remember that f is yn prime. Now close this function. How could you close this function? By inserting this colon sign, and this colon sign will be displayed by pressing alpha and this button. So that is the first function that we have written in this display. Now we need to write this second equation, which is actually Euler's technique, Euler's formula. So denote this yn plus 1 by any letter in this calculator. So for example, I am going to denote this yn plus 1 by e, say e. So I'm going to write this e and the display, so alpha into this button, so that is e, then equals to, so this equal to alpha or and calc button, that is equal to e is equal to y, that is this y, this yn is actually y, so that is the same yn, so that is actually y. So write y here, alpha, that is y, so this is y. Then plus sign is there, plus h, and h is given to you 0.1, so right here plus 0.1, so that is plus 0.1, and then we need to write yn prime, but you see that yn prime is this one, and we have denoted this yn prime in this calculator by f. So write f and the last of this equation, so that is f, this is f. So you see that we have written both of the functions, this function, I mean this equation and this equation as well. You just need to press calc button. The calculator will ask you about the value of x. The starting value of x is 0, so press 0, then press equal button. The calculator will ask you about the value of y, and the value of y is 1. The first starting value is 1, so press 1 and then equals to. Whenever you press equal sign, the calculator will give you the first answer f is equal to x plus y is 1.0000, that is f is equal to 1 actually, and this is f. So the first value of f is 1. You see here that this answer is up to 4 decimal places. That's why this answer is up to 4 decimal places, because we have fixed this calculator to calculate the values up to 4 decimal places. How could we fix a calculator up to a certain decimal places? I will show you this this command in this calculator at the last of this video. So anyways, f is equal to 1. Whenever you press equal sign, the calculator will give you e, the value of e, and you know that we have denoted yn plus 1 by e. So e is actually 11 by 10. This answer is in fraction form. You can convert this answer up to in decimal notation by pressing this button. Whenever you press this button, 11 by 10 is actually 1.1. So you see that y1 is equal to 1.1. So these two values have been calculated by the use of this calculator. Now again, we are in the second row. When you press equal button, the calculator will ask you about the value of x. Now the new value of x is 0.1. So right here 0.1 and then equal sign. The calculator is asking about y. So y, the new value of y is 1.1. So right here 1.1 and this, then press equal sign. Whenever you press equal sign, the calculator will give you the answer for f, that is actually f, which is 6 by 5, that is in fraction form. Convert it in decimal form by pressing this button. So that is 1.2. So you see this is 1.2. Now press equal sign, you'll get the value of e. The value of e is actually yn plus 1, that is in fraction form converted in decimal form, which is 1.22. So that is 1.22. Now again press the equal button. The calculator will ask you about the value of x. The new value of x is 0.2. So press 0.2 and then press equal sign. The calculator is asking about the value of y. The value of y in this row is 1.22. So 1.22 is equal to, this is the value for f. Convert it in decimal notation, 1.42. So that is the value of f. This is actually f, 1.42. That is 1.42. Then press equal sign. You'll get the value of e, which is in fraction form. So convert it into decimal form, 1.362. So that is 1.362. Now again, when you press equal sign, the new value of x is 0.3. So press 0.3 and equals to, the new value of y is 1.362. So that is 1.362 is equal to, that is the value of f, which is 1.662, and this is the value of e, which is 1.5282. So that is 1.5282. Now again press equal sign. The calculator will ask you about the value of x. The new value of x is 0.4, that is 0.4, and the new value of y is 1.5282. So that is 1.52 and 82. So is equal to, f is 1.9282 here, and equals to, e is 1.7210. This 2 is not included there because we have fixed the calculator up to 4 decimal places. So that is the value of f, the value of e. So whenever you place equal sign, the calculator will ask you about the value of x, which is 0.5, the last value of x, and the calculator will ask you about the value of y, which is the last value of uh, from here. y5 is this thing, so that is 1.72102. We don't need to calculate this yn prime and this yn plus 1, because we just need the fifth component of the fifth component of solution of this equation. So that is the end of this question. So this is all about the use of calculator, that how could we use calculator to deal with Euler's technique.